Hello guys! Today I will show you how to create Santa Claus. Let's start with sketching up the beard, head, face, nose, eyes, mustache, torso, legs, arms, hands, belt, boots, and the back with Christmas gifts. Let's start with the beard. I will do that from back of the old envelope. I'm devoted recycling person, so I suggest to reuse old envelopes. They have beautiful texturized insides. Now we cut out an oval for Santa's face from pink paper. Next step is making fur for Santa's cap. I reuse foam paper from candy box. Tear off the top layer of this paper, and you got the beautiful texturized surface. Cut out the top part of the cap from red paper. Cut out a mustache. For a beard and mustache, I use curly scissors. Making a Santa's coat. Create legs. The Santa's boots I create using black glossy paper that I saved earlier specially for recycling purpose. If you don't have glossy paper, you may use regular one. I like to use different paper textures, as they make the work more interesting and rich. Cut out arms and start gluing the details. Cut out the nose, decorating Santa's suit with foam paper. Cut out the belt. For creating the buckle, I reuse gold paper from old packaging. If you don't have it, you may use yellow color paper. Cut mittens. Cut and glue the gift bag. Glue the eyes and nose. Create snowflakes with paper-shaped cut-a-hole punch. And glue it.
We are almost done. Please make your comments under the video and subscribe on my YouTube channel, that not to miss the new art lessons with me. Good luck and see you soon!